Hey Zula fam, welcome to Zula Network. We just wanted to give a huge shout out to all of you for watching our latest YouTube video. Your support and love mean everything to us. We are thrilled to share with you the incredible story of achievements of Biniam grmay. His journey is a testament to hard work, perseverance, and unwavering determination. Join us as we delve into his inspiring tale of resilience and success. As an Eritrean professional cyclist, Biniam grmay has had a notable career with several achievements to his name. Here are some more details about his career accomplishments. 1. National Road Race Champion. grmay has won the Eritrean National Road Race Championships, showcasing his talent and dominance in domestic competitions. 2. Eritrean Cycling Pioneer. Biniam grmay is considered a pioneer for Eritrean cycling, inspiring and paving the way for other Eritrean cyclists to pursue professional careers in the sport. Number 3. World Championships Representation. grmay has represented Eritrea at the UCI Road World Championships, competing against the best cyclists from around the world on the international stage. 4. Professional team success. grmay has ridden for various professional teams, contributing to team successes in races and working to support team leaders in grand tours and other events. 5. Continued development. Throughout his career, grmay has shown continued development and improvement as a cyclist, taking on challenges and gaining valuable experience in different races and terrain types. Overall, Biniam grmay's career achievements demonstrate his dedication to the sport of cycling, his success at both the national and international levels, and his role as a respected figure in Eritrean cycling. His contributions to the sport have helped raise the profile of Eritrean cycling on the global stage. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions keep us going and help our channel grow. Thanks a million for being part of our Zula community. Stay tuned for more exciting stuff coming your way.